Hey guys, how's it going? This video is presented by JP Toronto Center, and this is Harunglish. That's 教科書英語. I think she's ready. Let's begin.
Hi there, this is Har.
Hey, what up, it's Geoff.
It's been a while. How have you been? Alright, so today we are gonna teach how to use I wish or wish and also if only. So native English speakers sometimes use those sentence, but so Geoff, what kind of situation do you use those sentence?
Well, we usually use I wish to say when we regret something or when we wish something was different than it actually is. Some cases like I wish I had money or I wish I did my homework. Things like that.
So,
you didn't do your homework and you regret it. But there are also times I wish I was taller. Nothing you can do about that. It's just you wish something was different than it actually is.
So it's too late, but like a strong desire.
Yeah.
So I should have or like.
We can't say it the same way. Like I said, it's regret or
Regret.
or a wish that that something was different than it actually
I
is.
see. So when we have a strong desire, it's very useful. So so let me explain about the structure. So there are two structures. So first of all, if you want to use this sentence at the present situation, in the present situation.
Well, we would whichever you're saying, we would keep it in the past. We would use the past for the present. For example, I wish I were taller.
So I wish plus I plus past tense.
Yes.
I wish I plus 過去形. Did you get it? Okay. And secondly, if you want to use this sentence as a past situation,
then you would have to keep it past perfect. That is had plus past participle.
So I wish like I had been or
Yes.
So I wish I had a plus 過去分詞.
Yes, like I wish I had driven, not I wish I had drove. Drove is not past participle.
Drive, drove, driven, or give, gave, given. So we have to use 過去分詞. Did you get it? Alright. So okay. So let's see a couple of examples.
Okay.
Okay. So first of all, let's explain wish. Okay. Action. Okay. Hey Jeff.
Hello.
Did you hear Jimmy won $1 million?
Oh yeah, 1 million?
Yeah.
Damn, I wish I were him.
I wish.
I wish I were him.
Oh, I wish I were him.
Yes.
This means you are not him,
I'm not him.
but
I wish I were because he has $1 million.
okay. Repeat after him. Let's practice this sentence. Repeat after him.
I wish I were him.
I wish I were him. 1, 2. All right. So the next one. Okay. Yeah. So.
How did he win $1 million?
Oh, I think he got the lottery.
Oh, the lottery.
He
Damn.
won.
Damn, I wish I bought a ticket. I wish I bought a ticket.
I wish I had.
I wish I had bought a ticket.
I wish I had bought the ticket.
Yes.
Okay, that's the past situation.
Yes.
So we cannot, because now it's like it's still already past.
We
So-
need that had. I wish I had bought a ticket.
Okay, I wish I had bought the ticket. 1, 2. Yay, well done. And so next one. So now like, we already explained how to use wish, I wish I had, or I wish I were. So the second one is how to use if only. So what kind of situation do you use?
The exact same situation that you would use I wish, only if only is stronger.
Oh, stronger desire.
Yeah.
Strong desire.
I wouldn't say desire necessarily, more like if I wish is want, then if only is need.
Need. So like must or like necessary.
Well, not quite necessary. Sometimes you can use if only if you really want something, but for the most part, we would use it as a strong substitute for I wish.
Oh, I see.
In terms of grammar, exact same grammar. You can use I wish and if only grammatically, exactly the same way.
So it could be present situation. If only I were like this.
Yes.
And
If only
I prayed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then if you want to use the past situation, then we have to say if only I had.
Same deal, past perfect.
All right. Okay. So let's play a couple of how do you say situation.
All right.
Okay. Oh, hey, Geoff. Do you remember the car leader? He just called me and he said he can introduce the latest car.
If only we weren't broke.
Hmm?
If only we weren't broke.
If only we
Weren't broke.
broke.
We have no money.
Yeah. And broke mean we don't have any money. We are out of money.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sad.
Meh.
Yeah. Okay, did you get it? Oh, but Geoff, yesterday I went to bar. Then actually Ken got drunk and gave a lot of money to everyone.
You just gave money to people.
Yeah.
Just here, have money. Just everyone.
Yeah,
How much money did he give?
I don't know, but I think over like 3,000 or something.
Son of a bitch! If only I'd been there. If only I had been there.
If only I had been there. Yeah,
There.
you wasn't there.
I was not there.
So he regret. So
Deeply.
If only
I had been there.
If only I had been there. So today we explain how to use wish and how to use if only. So let's review. So at first we say I wish I were him. This means we are not him, but if we are him, like desire, we want to be him. So repeat after him.
I wish I were him.
I wish I were him. 1, 2. And the past situation. So I
wish I had bought a ticket.
If I wish I had bought the ticket. We didn't get to buy the ticket, but just regret. So if I wish I had bought the ticket. 1, 2. Yay! So secondly, we explain about how to use if only. So if only.
If only we weren't broke.
If only we weren't broke. If only we weren't broke. 1, 2. Yeah. And yeah, last night when I saw Jimmy at the bar, he got drunk and he gave a lot of money to everyone. So
If only I had been there.
if only I'd been there, I had been there. If only I had been there. 1, 2. Alright, did you get it? This is Har and
This was Geoff.
we are signing off.